Hi guys, let's learn about SOAP and RESTful web services today. Because we are not developing APIs, we are here to learn how to test them. I will try to concentrate most of what's important for us as test automation engineers. SOAP stands for Simple Object Access Protocol. So SOAP is the standardized protocol that sends messages using other protocols such as HTTP and SMTP. REST, representational state transfer. REST is not a protocol, but an architectural style. SOAP comes with strict rules and advanced security features. It's higher complexity and requires more resources, which can lead to slower page load times. REST has a more flexible architecture and less guidelines, so RESTful web services have better performance. REST allows different messaging formats such as HTML, JSON, XML, even plain text, while SOAP only allows XML. REST is the most popular choice for developers to build public APIs. For example, Google Maps has a public REST API that lets you customize Google Maps with your own content. SOAP is still used for enterprise-level web services that require high security and complex transactions. One of the most well-known SOAP APIs is PayPal's public API that allows you to accept PayPal and credit card payments, add a PayPal button to your website, and perform other PayPal-related actions. And last important thing for us, REST makes use of HTTP GET, POST, PUT, DELETE, and patch methods for different operations. All SOAP requests are sent through HTTP POST. All this may be confusing for now if you are completely new to API testing, but you will get it later when we start writing tests. Also, it's important to mention that even though Rest Assured has REST in its name, it also supports SOAP API testing.